Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1007 at Sofitel Singapore City Centre. That is the doorbell. There's a hook right there. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. Right there, we have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power together with light switches as well as the do not disturb and makeup room switches. Right here, we have a mirror. Hello. Power outlet. Place to put luggage, storage below. And right above, we have, I'm not too sure what that is. Looks like a yoga mat for some strange reason. And we also have a place to hang items on. Right here we have the wardrobe area. Behind it, below we have the laundry stuff. We also have a bathrobe, hangers, storage above, the iron, an umbrella, the luggage rack. There's a torchlight right there as well. And I'm not too sure what that is, but it could be the iron. Okay. Opposite the wardrobe, we have the bathroom. There's a light right there. All the bathroom amenities, towels, glasses, tissues. The bathtub is right there with a bath mat, artwork, and the sink is in the middle. Drinking water, towels, bin, weighing scale, body lotion, power outlets, bar soap, mirror, another mirror above the sink with lights on either sides of it, and there's another bathrobe right there. This one door controls both the shower area, which is right here. It is a door shower setup, so we have the handheld shower on the wall and the rain shower right above. We have the shower gel, conditioner and shampoo right there. And the other part that this door controls, or covers if you will, is the toilet area. Next to the toilet, we also have a couple of toilet tissues. Okay, so we have light switches right there and a power outlet below. Here we have mugs and storage. More mugs. And we have the kettle and storage below. Here we have the empty fridge. So you can store your own items in there. And right above you have the pantry area with coffee pots, creamer, sugar and whatnot. The tea bags are right there. We have a coffee machine right there, a teapot with more mugs, or in this case teacups if you will. We have a bottle right there to store your own water in from the water tap in the next to the sink in the bathroom. We have glasses right above and another mirror behind the pantry area. There we have a flat screen Samsung TV, sofa-like thing, a very large king bed. That's so quite comfortable. Here we have a pillow menu cube. On the right bedside table, we have writing materials, the in-room telephone, assistance QR code, a power outlet, light switches, and the climate control panel. There's a light right there. Another light behind the headboard. And for the left bedside table, we have a TV remote, the clock, more power outlet and USB-A ports, and more light switches as well. Another light right there. Here we have an armchair together with a stool, a table, and a standing light. Here we have the desk area with a light, power outlets, USB-A port, HDMI port, and a Bose speaker setup. And we also have storage areas on either sides of the desk. The desk chair is right there, and behind it we have the bins, one for recycled materials and one for regular waste. Okay, as for the view, you get the hotel's pool below. You also see the road behind the hotel, as well as all of the surrounding buildings. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1007 at Sofitel Singapore City Centre. Thanks for watching and goodbye.